how to trap wither under bedrock in Minecraft. So first, just simply need to make a or dig up here under the bedrock right here. So we're just gonna simply dig up. We're just gonna dig up right here till we go to the bottom of the bedrock right here. So once we are on the bottom, what we need to do now is just dig right here. So dig up right here. And we need to dig up 5 blocks wide and 4 blocks deep right here. So I'm just gonna dig up right here first. So it should be looking like this. And now what we can do is just simply spawn the wither. So just get some soul sand and some wither skeleton skull and just place it like this. And 3 in front. Then just put the wither skeleton skull just like that. And as you can see, we now have spawned the wither right here. Now, as you can see, the wither is trapped, and what we can do now is just simply kill it right here. So I'm just gonna kill it right here, and it's that easy. Now we can get the Nether star right here, and that's basically it. It's a really easy and efficient way to defeat the wither, and that's how you trap a wither under bedrock in Minecraft.